Right, well that's enough of that messing about for the day. Oh, I'm done. Have a little vape. Yeah. Right, tonight I'm going to go up to my mate's studio, Faktory Studios, and I've got a lot of friends who mess around in the arts, particularly music and bands, and there's some good mates of mine who I haven't seen for a while. They're up there tonight at the studio rehearsing, so I'm going to take my new camera and my new gimbal and do some filming because they haven't got any decent shots or any video of their band, so let's go and do that. Let's go and film my mates in their band and make them a nice little video. Yeah.
Bingo starting. Look at that. Look at that. We broke it. That's what happens.
Hello there, you bastards. There you go, Jimmy boy.
Coming to steal your money.
Fuck me, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, man. It's scary, isn't it? So whatever you do, it tries to stay straight.
A bit like Alan.
Yeah. That'll work.
That's what he does.
Yeah. It's fucking mega, isn't it? I love the way it does that. It's fucking insane, isn't it? Like, yeah, then if you look at it, right, and you give it that okay, it'll blink at you and then it'll follow you. So I'll do that now. I'll give it the okay sign. Just that. Is it flashed to you? It might not
It's gone
be.
green.
Right. Now move around the room. There you go. Ah.
I don't like it! I don't like it!